Now, if you're serious about audio quality, picking the right studio monitors for your setup can make all the difference. Today, we're checking out the Edifier MR4. These promise to deliver crisp, clear audio without breaking the bank. Now, in this video, I'll unbox them, set them up, and lastly, give you my thoughts about them. So I was looking online for a pair of studio monitors for my setup. I'm still in the process of building my home YouTube studio. It's still a work in progress, but I plan on working fully on my YouTube channel this year. So if you're new to the channel and want to see more tech related content, then don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Okay, so let's open them up and see what's inside and put it to the test. So right off the gate, the box design is pretty sleek. It has the Edifier logo, the model number, and a few bullet points of the specs, but let's open these up and see what's inside. Now you get two speakers, the MR4, power cable, which is connected to the speaker, audio cables, and the starter guide slash manual. So the build quality feels real sturdy. They have a refined matte finish and a relatively compact form factor. They're definitely designed with space saving in mind, perfect for a small desk or a modern studio-like setup. Taking a closer look, each speaker has a 4-inch woofer and a 1-inch sleek dome tweeter. Now, the combination should give a fairly balanced range of audio. On the front of one speaker, you'll see a volume knob which doubles as a switch for different modes. On the back, there is the RCA input and the balanced TRS input as well. This makes it easy to connect to your computer or your audio interface. Now, they're marketed as studio monitors, meaning that they aim to offer neutral, accurate sound, but they should also perform well for casual music listening, gaming, or even watching videos. Now, let's start setting this up. So the setup is pretty straightforward when it comes to these speakers. All you have to do is connect the powered speaker with the passive one with the included speaker cable. Then plug in the power cable and connect your audio source. You could use the RCA cable or you could use the balanced TRS cable. Which one you prefer? Now this could be connected to your laptop, to your PC, or to your audio interface. I recommend placing them at ear level and a comfortable distance apart for the best audio experience. Now once everything is plugged in, you're good to go. So I spent a little time testing these out with different genres of music, from hip hop to rap to Afrobeat to reggae, dancehall as well. Right away, I'm impressed with how clear the mid-range is. Vocals comes through nicely and the high end is crisp without being, I want to say, harsh. The bass response is decent for a 4-inch woofer, though don't expect earth-shaking sub bass. Now if you're producing music, you might still want a subwoofer for the lower end, but overall they provide a balanced and detailed sound for casual listening and entry-level studio work. One nice feature is the front-facing volume knob and the switch for different sound modes. There is a monitor mode for more neutral output and a music mode that slightly enhances the low end. So far it's been convenient toggling between these to find the right balance for me, but with further testing we'll see how I feel about them. So that's my unboxing and first impressions of the Edifier MR4 speakers. I love their compact design, the solid build quality, and how easy they are to set up. For the price, they seem to deliver a really nice balanced sound that work well for both casual listening and beginner level music production. Of course, I'll need more time with them before giving a full review, especially testing them in different room setups and mixing scenarios. But from an unboxing and initial standpoint, the MR4 definitely leaves a good first impression. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the MR4. I'll see you guys in the next video.